Hello, children. It's science time. Today we are going to describe the appearance of homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. What are mixtures? Mixtures are combination of two or more materials that do not combine chemically. The substances are put together but no formation of new material. Did you know that there are two types of mixtures? The two types of mixtures are homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixtures is a mixtures with uniform composition. Heterogeneous mixtures is a mixtures that does not have uniform composition. Examples of homogeneous mixtures: powdered juice and water, sugar and water. Examples of heterogeneous mixtures: oil and water, halo halo.